Um, Hello. Today we are going to look at how to update, or basically how to change the domain name server. And domain name server is the one that tells the domain name basically where to point to. For instance, let's say you buy a domain name from company A and you want to host your domain name with, let's say, Webcom Kenya. What normally happens is that Webcom are going to give you their name server, and you should be able to update, or basically to change the name server for your domain, so that the domain name should be able to know that it should point to Webcom server. So in today's articles, basically in today's video, we are going to look at how do you change the name server for a domain name. Basically what happened is that whenever you buy a service with Webcom, you get what we call client area. And client area is where you log in, and you should be able to manage your services, your invoices, and your domain. So you come to our website, that is webcomkenya.com, and you click client login at the top. Then you type in your email and password. And then you'll be logged into the client area. And basically when you check, you'll see there is services, there is domain, ticket if you have any tickets on your account. Then there are invoices. Then you come to domains. So when it comes to domain, you are going to see the domains that you have with either Webcom or the particular company. Then here there are status, whether the domain name is active, pending. You can also find expired. And let's say we want to change the name server of this particular domain, myblog.co.ke. So what you do is you click on the domain. You wait for it to open, and then on the left side you'll see name servers. You click on that, and then you'll see there is the name server 1, name server 2, name server 3, and name server 4. Most companies have just name server 1, name server 2, and that's okay. It should work fine. Others has up to name server 4. So basically what happened is that the company in which you are hosting your website or your emails with are the one who should give you their name server in order for you to be able to update. Then once you change the name server, you just click save changes. And then another thing you need to know is that once you update your domain name server, it normally takes up to 24 hours for the propagation to take place. So you may find where when you update the name server in order for your domain to point to a particular host that you have with a particular company, in most cases it does not pick as immediately. So you need to give it about 24 hours. And by that should be able now to go to host your website and to start using your emails.